have clients come to us with portals that they'd like built, whether they're an internal kind of intranet portal or a client-based portal. In the healthcare industry, more like a physician-based portal where people have to actually log in to gain more information or share more knowledge. We've seen a lot of foreign language projects where people want to expand their reach and offer their site in different languages.
Third party integration, like Salesforce integration.
Exactly.
Some type of CRM integration. So when I started doing this, smartphones didn't exist. So you take the last decade of the browsers, the operating systems, the smartphones, the content, trying to build sites that are responsive, and the next device that comes out next year, and what changes are in that operating system or that device. You need to make sure that your website can adapt and change to these things. And we don't know what's going to come out next year, so having somebody available to you to see what that new operating system, what that new browser, what that new smart tech is, and making sure that your content is visible by the user on it.
So a lot of times we'll build sites or inherit sites that have forms. I've actually seen a lot of sites that don't have any forms, that have just a contact email address on the Contact Us page, and that's definitely not advisable. We make these recommendations to build forms. But on top of that, every organization has different systems that they are running. They could be running a customer relationship management system, several marketing automation tools in addition to their website, and to have leads be manually entered, let's say, in your CRM when people are actually submitting their information and email and company information and any inquiry fields that you have on your forms on your website. To have those things be separate is really not efficient. So what we've found ourselves doing a lot is building integrations between the website forms and these CRMs or also migrating blogs from other platforms onto WordPress. We've seen a lot of companies that have built their blogs originally maybe in HubSpot, but because their site is in WordPress, they want to have that be part of their WordPress site in order to reap the benefits of what they've already been gaining on their search engine optimization rankings. Simplifying their sites as well. So a lot of times if they've built a site that's very complex and they want to kind of orient it to a specific audience, they are redesigning or wanting us to redesign their homepage to kind of guide the user in a better manner, and sometimes even splitting the site up into multiple sites within a multi-site WordPress framework, so that one might be committed to just their corporate marketing and another would be kind of a donation site. It's just an example that recently come up.
Acquisition work, a company buys another company and they need to integrate that company into theirs, that branding, that marketing, those redirects, all that SEO work that goes along with that. And even a couple, downsized companies, like Ariel said, like simplifying, it comes down to our business has changed or our approach is different now, and instead of going into this vertical, we're going to divert into another one or something similar, and they need to re-architecture their entire site, re-optimize and reduce that content, but still maintain a lot of that traffic, a lot of those URLs that they had in the past. They still want to retain some of that. So there's a lot of collaborative work between support and digital marketing.